A volcanologist steps into the crater rim at dawn, heart pounding as lava glows on the horizon and ash fills the air. They describe fieldwork rhythms, patching cameras, monitoring gases, and the quiet courage needed to study danger without surrender. Behind the data are families and memories, the late-night calls that remind them why risk is worth the science. When vents erupt or tremors shake, the team relies on training, trust, and a shared responsibility that steadies every pulse. The payoff is more than data. It is protection for nearby towns and a respectful memory of those who faced lava.